It's a great university. There's so many things to do in terms of so many societies to be part of. There's a great sense of community. The campus is really nice also, and also the lecturers, they're really friendly and easily approachable. Every time you have any issues or problems, they will definitely answer your questions. The facilities in the Engineering and Applied Science department are really great, especially when it comes to the electronic side. There's a lot of new equipment that we use. The teaching is varied. It's not only a lecturer standing at the front speaking to you. There's also tutorials, and it's very varied. You don't just sit there listening for 2 hours. You can actually work on practical experiments or labs where you actually try and understand what you're learning about and work on like building circuits and building your skills in electronics as well. My placement took place in the Aston Institute of Photonics and Technologies, which is part of the university, is one of the university's research departments, and it's also one of the leading research departments in the UK. And my role as a student intern was building prototypes for their research projects. Some of the projects I worked on was building a polarization sensor, which was basically utilizing the optical properties of light and looking at how it interacts with different samples, and looking at how it interacts with different samples and how that changes over time. And I've learned a lot from my placement, and I've gained skills such as programming and also basic research skills. And because research there's no straight answer, there's a lot of trial and error, which also helps you work on your problem solving skills. And it's really great because although some parts were challenging, I've learned a lot, and it's definitely given me a better understanding of where I want to go in terms of my career, whether I'd want to do a PhD or go into R&D in industry.